And we also have the operating instructions for the Class A1 and A4. This includes a single-page leaflet showing the power track that might be included, and this one is included in the box. The Hornby Virtual Railway brochure, train set owner's manual, which is actually very beautiful stock for the cover. Large fold-out poster showing the Hornby line. Hornby service dealers, and since I am unfortunately not in the UK, I cannot take advantage of any of the service dealers. Track pack system brochure, which shows how you can expand the system using track packs and the folded track mat. Now, with that, I will not be opening that because I have taken the liberty of taking the Flying Scotsman out, and there she is on the track.